Hello. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fan, ma'am.
So, what's your name?
My name is Zafar, ma'am. The full
Zafar.
name is Mohammed Zafar. Ji.
Okay, Mohammed Zafar. So, Zafar, tell me about yourself.
I'm a student of second year BA,
Okay.
Bachelor of Arts
Mhm.
in Ranchi.
In
Basically,
Ranchi.
yeah.
So, you are doing honors, BA honors.
Yes. I'm doing BA honors.
Which subject? You are doing honors in which subject?
Yeah, political science.
Okay, BA political science honors. Tell me about your schooling. Where did you do your schooling from?
Same, ma'am. Ranchi, in Ranchi.
Okay. Tell me about your family.
In family, we have four members.
There are four
My mother,
people. Say there are four people in my family.
there are four people in my family.
Yeah.
My my big brother, my mother, and my bhabhi, sister-in-law.
And big brother, instead of big brother, you should say my elder brother. My elder brother, my sister-in-law,
My
and
and my mother.
okay, and your father?
Father is no more.
Okay. Sorry to hear about your father. And what does your elder brother do?
My elder brother uh, is a driver in Saudi.
Okay. So he lives in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
And your sister-in-law also lives there?
No. He
She
lives
lives here.
with us. Yeah.
She lives here and your brother lives there. They don't live together?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So when did he go to Saudi Arabia?
In 2019.
Yes, they are living apart from each other.
No, they recently married, ma'am.
When did he
They
get married?
recently 16 December
Oh, this 16th December 2023.
23. Yes.
Okay, he got married last month.
Last month.
Okay.
Yes.
So when will he come back?
He come back most probably July 2024.
Okay, so whenever we talk about future, we use will. He will come back in July 2024. So you have to put will, right? Okay, till July, your sister-in-law will stay alone, right? Without him.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you plan to do after your BA Political Science honors?
And nothing planned, but my friends suggest to improve your skill.
Okay. So
My
you have
friend
not
is
planned anything.
no.
Okay. So
Right
what
now
are
not planned.
what are your friends thinking of doing?
My friend is preparing for UPSC in Delhi, and one of my friend is preparing for yeah क्या उसका सब्जेक्ट का नाम है I forgot the subject.
Okay.
ये
One of your
data science.
friends. Okay, data science.
what data science कि uh, he suggests me to do something, continue your studies and go for the spoken English course.
Okay. He suggested you because it is past. So he suggested you to go for a spoken English course, right? And we say one of my friends. We don't say one of my friend. One of my friends is correct. One of my friend is wrong. Okay. 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 Tell me about your mother. What does she do?
He's a housewife.
Okay.
She is a housewife,
Homemaker. She is a homemaker.
homemaker.
Yeah. She takes care of all the stuff that is done at home. Everything. She takes care of everything at home. So then she is a homemaker, not a housewife. Housewife would mean a wife who is just sitting in the house. That's not what she is doing, right? Okay.
Right.
Why do you want to learn English?
For friends saying that if you learn English and you confidence in English, so one of my friends says one of my friends work at Delhi call center. So he suggests me if you want to better future, you develop your skills in English. So yeah, I help you to find a job for the better future.
Okay. Okay. So one of your friends suggested you that if you develop good communication skills and if you improve your spoken English, he can help you find a good job in Delhi because he is working in a Delhi call center. So what are you
Right.
doing to improve your English?
I'm right now I'm searching like website, apps, or books.
Okay.
I buy a book by Kanchan Kesari.
Oh, you bought a book. You bought a book written by Kanchan Kesari, right?
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. She's a
One
very,
of,
her book is very nice. I have also heard about it. So did you read that book?
no, right now I don't read.
Okay.
Didn't read.
Okay. So you bought the book, but you didn't read the book. So when are you planning to read the book?
Or tomorrow?
Okay. So all your friends are in Delhi?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So how many friends do
Is
you
that
have in Ranchi?
all my friends in Ranchi, but some few, like 2 or 3 friends, are in Delhi.
Okay. So all of your
Two
friends are in Ranchi, but 2 or 3 have gone to Delhi.
gone to Delhi. Yeah.
Okay. So here, who is your best friend?
My actually no best friend is no one.
Okay, there is no best friend.
No.
Okay, tell
Actually,
me.
I
Yeah.
thought. Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
actually, I thought the best friend is he. You share the feeling, all the feelings you share with friend, or he never
Judges you.
never
He never
take the
judges
trust.
you. Yeah.
He is not judge. So, so I find, but is not meet any best friends. Is just good friends, but not a right best friend.
Okay. You mean to say that
So,
there are good friends, but the best friend
uh,
criteria that a person who listens to you and who understands you without judging you, nobody is fulfilling that criteria. So that is why there is no best friend. Those are just good friends. So tell me the
yes,
name of a good friend.
good friend is like Abdul Yavish and
Okay.
Shoaib
Okay.
and
Abdul
Nirbhay.
Shoaib. Okay.
Abdul Shoaib, Nirbhay,
Okay.
Arman,
So do you
and
go out with them?
yes, I
Go out and
go
have
off.
parties and, at movies or restaurants? Do you go out with them?
I did. I do.
I do, yes. So they are in your college also. Are they in the same college?
No, ma'am.
No?
Same school, but after
Okay, okay.
schooling,
Okay, okay.
everyone is different
Okay. So
college.
they were with you till class 12.
Yes.
Okay. And in your BA Political Science class, is there a friend?
No, ma'am, is there is no friend because yeah, I study in Open University, IGNU.
Oh, you are not going to college regularly.
No, no, no. I admission in college, but that time my father is yeah,
Passed away.
survive with
Okay. Okay.
past critical
You
condition.
you took admission in a college, but then your father passed away. After that, you then got admitted in IGNU. So now you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
doing your education from a distance learning university. What are you doing then? Because there, though you don't have regular classes. So what do you do every day?
I do I do every day uh, home's work.
You do household chores every day.
Yes, every day.
Okay. So you could have gone to college also regularly, isn't it?
No, actually the situation. Actually, I live in Ranchi
Right.
2 months ago.
Mm-hmm.
My father passed away in April 19. Then my mother decided to shift in Kolkata.
Okay.
So we are shifted in Kolkata, and my old home, my hometown Ranchi, जो my grandfather sell out
Okay.
my house.
You shifted
And
to
then
Kolkata and your old house was sold out by your grandfather.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That's
So,
why
right.
here
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
no friends and no going out
Okay.
because I'm new here.
Okay. So, right now you are living in Kolkata.
Right now I'm
Okay.
Kolkata.
So, none of your friends are there. You don't know anyone. You don't have any friends and you are new here.
Yes, ma'am. No
Okay.
friends. Right now, no.
Okay. So, now you have taken admission in IGN University.
Right.
But when you used to go to school or college, then you used to enjoy. Now, studying at home, how does it feel? Just studying alone at home?
Actually, it's I like quiet. मतलब I like alone.
Okay.
And here is मतलब in Kolkata, I face a very language barrier.
Okay. So, what do these people speak? Which language do they speak?
Native language is Bengali.
Okay.
Always use
Natives of
Bengali.
Kolkata, they speak Bengali
Yes, they
or
speak
English.
Bengali.
Do they speak English also?
Yes, yes.
You will have to learn either Bengali or English, but Hindi will not work, right?
Yeah, right, right.
Right.
Hindi not work.
Okay. So, that is why you are facing problems.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in Kolkata, where you are living right now, if you have to get a good job, you will have to learn English.
Yes, ma'am.
By doing IGNU, actually, they don't teach anything. Just once a week class, and you don't get to learn much.
Don't class and facility is not good. It's not provide something like
Okay.
useful thing.
Your mother and your
Yes, ma'am.
sister-in-law are living in the Kolkata wala house, the Kolkata house,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a girlfriend? No. And you have made friends in Kolkata or not?
Yeah, I'm trying to make friends.
Okay. But whenever you go to talk to someone, they speak in Bengali or English, right?
Right, ma'am.
Kolkata people, they don't know Hindi at all.
Little, matlab,
Okay. They know very little Hindi.
very little Hindi or some mix English, Bengali mix.
Okay, okay. Do you also want to go to Saudi Arabia?
No, I don't want to go Saudi.
You don't want.
I'm not interested right now to go out, out
Okay.
of India.
Mhm. You want to live in Kolkata or you want to go to Delhi, right?
Right.
And how's your mother? Are you taking care of her because your father passed away?
Yes, ma'am. I take care of mother.
Okay. Is she okay or she is very upset about it?
Nee, she's okay right now.
So when was that? When did your father pass away?
April 19 April 2023.
Okay, 19th April 2023. And your sister-in-law, what does she do all day? How she passes her time? Does she get bored?
No, she talking to my brother
Oh, she talks to your brother over phone all the
all
time.
all the
Okay,
time.
okay. Do your mother and sister-in-law fight with each other?
No. I
Like in movies.
nice, nice
Okay.
person.
Their relationship is very nice. Yeah?
Very nice.
Okay.
Very nice.
That's good.
Actually, she is my
Your
cousin.
voice is not clear.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Actually, she is my cousin sister.
Okay. She's your cousin. Oh, she's your cousin as well as she's your sister-in-law.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That happens in Muslims, right? Yeah,
Right,
I
right.
also heard about that because in our families, it can never happen because we treat our cousins like our sister brothers. Tell me, what do you like best? I mean, what is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is like chicken curry.
Chicken curry. You know how to make it?
No, I don't.
No? So your mother makes it for you.
Yes, my
Oh.
mother makes it.
But you were saying you do household chores. What household chores you are doing then you don't know how to cook? What do you do at
Uh,
home? Tell me.
I doing like shopping grocery,
Okay. You do grocery shopping. And what else?
grocery shop, and that's it.
Okay. So you help your mother and sister-in-law by doing grocery shopping. That's it.
Yes,
What do you do in the evening? Do you watch movies?
yes, I like movies.
Okay. So if you start watching English movies, that will really help you to improve your English.
Yes, ma'am.
You can start watching English movies with subtitles.
Yeah.
So your mother is sitting in front of you, right? And she's
No,
watching.
no.
Okay, your sister-in-law
No.
is sitting in front of you.
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Okay. Actually, I forgot your name, Zafar. Zafar. So all the best,
yes, ma'am.
Zafar. It was a lovely conversation. I really enjoyed talking to you. Good luck. You will be fluent. Keep working at it. Watch some English content every day and read some English content every day. You will be fluent, but it will take some time. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
It was lovely talking to you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.